video, it is going to be a DIY easy Easter basket gift ideas video. So if you would like to watch that, keep watching. So for my first Easter basket idea, I put some soaps and some body creams in it to make a spa themed Easter basket. So for my second basket idea, I put a lot of different types of candy like nerds, jelly beans, and chocolates in it to make a candy themed Easter basket. So for my third Easter basket idea, I put a ton of different types of stickers and sticker books in it to make a sticker themed Easter basket. So for my fourth Easter basket idea, I put in a hairbrush, some hair ties, and some other random items to make a self-care basket. So for my fifth basket idea, I put some pencils, crayons, and other art supplies in it to make an arts and crafts themed Easter basket. So for my final Easter basket idea, I put in a bunch of baking supplies like cupcake holders, icing, and sprinkles to make a baking themed Easter basket. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram and add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!